All right, to charge the battery on the GoPro Hero 10 Black, you're going to go to the left side when the camera's facing you. And there's a little lip right here. Get your thumb in there, push it down, it pops it open. Bam, there you are. You're ready to go. There's your port. It's a USB-C port. Notice I've got a USB-C. See the difference? It doesn't matter which way you put it. You know, you stick it in that way, or you could flip it around. It's all the same, no matter what you do. All right, so you can see that the USB is connected, and you see that little light up there. It tells me that the battery is charging. And we'll just leave it there. It's going to take a couple hours to charge. All right, so we left this in all night, and I'm just going to go ahead and unplug the USB-C. And then really all I have to do is push this. You know, this expands, and it's going to connect right down here, and it'll be waterproof. If you notice, there's this little cushion here that pushes against the battery, gives it that extra little push so that it's in there snug. And bam, that's it. You're ready to go. Now if we want to turn it on and check it out, there we go. And we'll look back here. It's telling me that my card needs to be updated. But here we go. So you can see right here, 99% on the battery. So we're good. Now to turn it off, all I got to do is press on here and hold it for about 2 or 3 seconds. 1001, 1002, and you can see it's powering off. And bam, Bob's your uncle. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on the GoPro Hero 10 Black.